Hi everyone, I am your Dhanasekaran. Today we learn about the plus 2 physics 5th lesson electromagnetic wave in subtopic of electromagnetic spectrum. There are the following type of electromagnetic spectrum. I classify in the 4 type: electromagnetic wave, production method, frequency range and uses. We see one by one: production method, frequency range and uses. First one, radio wave. Accelerated motion charge conducting wire. The frequency range few Hz to 10 power 9 Hz. Uses radio and TV communication system and also cellular phone wireless voice communication, ultra high frequency band. The radio waves show that they show reflection and diffraction. Second one, microwaves. The production method: special vacuum tube, example klystron, magnetron and a gun diode. The frequency range 10 power 9 Hz to 10 power 11 Hz. The uses of the microwave in a radar system, aircraft navigation. It is used to measure the speed of vehicles, and a micro oven used to cook the food. Very long distance wireless communication used to the satellites. This is the uses of the microwave. The microwave show that reflection and polarization. Third one, IR radiation. IR means infrared radiation. The production method: hot bodies and heat wave produced to the IR radiation. The molecule undergoes the vibrational and rotation produced to the infrared radiation. The frequency range 10 power 11 Hz to 4 into 10 power 14 Hz. The uses of the infrared radiation: solar cell, heat therapy of the muscular pain. Next one, dehydrate the fruits and also used in a greenhouse effect. TV remote as a signal carrier to look through the fog, mist and also used night vision or infrared photograph. Next one, visible light. The production method of visible light: incandescent bodies. The frequency range of the visible light 4 into 10 power 14 Hz to 8 into 10 power 14 Hz. It is used to sensation of the vision. It is used to study of the structure of the molecules, arrangement of electrons, external cell in atom, and it obey law of reflection, refraction, diffraction, polarization, interference. Next one, UV radiation, ultraviolet radiation. The production method: sun, arc and ionized gas. The frequency range between the 8 into 10 power 14 Hz to 10 power 17 Hz. The uses or application of the ultraviolet ray: destroy the bacteria in a sterilizing surgical instruments. It is used to study the atomic structure and also it is used in a burglar alarm to detect invisible writing and fingerprint. The next one, X-ray. the sudden stopping of high-speed electron at a high atomic number target metal produced to the X-ray. The frequency range 10 power 17 Hz to 10 power 19 Hz is used to determine the crystal structure, formation of bones, diseased organs, formation of bones and stone, observing the process of healing of bones. Further, the finished metal product, it is used to identify crack, holes and defect. These are application of the X-ray. Next one, gamma ray. The production method, transition of radioactive nuclei. The frequency range between 10 power 18 Hz to above. The uses of the gamma ray, it is used to study of structure of the atomic nuclei, and also it is used to treatment of cancer, the gamma ray, and also show that chemical reaction of photoelectric plate, ionization, fluorescence, diffraction. We know the three important points of the electromagnetic spectrum. First one, the frequency increase from radio wave to gamma ray. The wavelength increase from gamma ray to radio wave. The frequency increase means energy also increased. You know the relation E equal to h nu. So the energy direct proportional to frequency. So the frequency increase means energy also increased. The energy increase means frequency also increased. So the frequency increased from radio wave to gamma ray. The wavelength increased from gamma ray to radio wave. We know another relation, mu equal to c by lambda. The frequency increase means the wavelength is decreased. The wavelength increase means frequency is decreased. It may be asked in a one mark question, which of the following electromagnetic spectrum have a minimum wavelength? The minimum wavelength is a gamma ray. The maximum wavelength is a radio wave. Next one, the maximum frequency gamma ray. The minimum frequency radio wave. It may be asked another type, which of the following increasing order in the electromagnetic spectrum in based on the frequency or wavelength. So use this method you use to find answer. The next one asked in a one mark question, the ultraviolet radiation, X-ray, gamma ray, which of the following high penetrating power? The high penetrating power have a gamma ray. Next one X-ray. Third one ultraviolet radiation. So the penetrating power increasing from ultraviolet radiation to gamma ray. The highest penetrating power of the electromagnetic spectrum, gamma ray. The lowest penetrating power of the electromagnetic spectrum, ultraviolet radiation. It is maybe asked in a one mark questions. I think the concept of the electromagnetic spectrum you clearly understand. You like this video means like, share and subscribe. Thank you.